For science today, we're going to be looking at changes to ecosystems. Today's objective is TEAC 3.9c. Describe environmental changes such as floods and droughts where some organisms thrive and others perish or move to new locations. The student success criteria is I can give examples of environmental changes due to floods, I can give examples of environmental changes due to droughts, and I can explain why some organisms thrive, perish, or move. An environment meets the needs of the organisms that live there, but environments change all the time. Think about the seasons. It is warm in the summer and cold in the winter. Organisms must find a way to deal with these changes. Some plants lose their leaves and stop growing when it's cold. Some animals grow thick, furry coats. Animals like birds migrate to warmer areas. It is easier to find food in warm areas. Many bears hibernate. They use stored fat in their bodies to survive long periods of cold and stay in their den for most of the winter. Drought. Sometimes an ecosystem experiences a drought. When this happens, many plants cannot get enough water and perish or die. Animals are affected by drought too. Some animals can survive by moving to new areas. Floods. Changes may cause organisms to perish or move to other areas. They may also cause new organisms to move into or grow in an area. For example, when an area floods, many animals are forced to move. If the flood creates a new habitat, such as a lake, animals like frogs and fish will survive and grow in the area. Look out. Many environmental changes happen naturally, but sometimes organisms cause change. For example, beavers pile up materials to build dams across streams. The dams block water flow. This causes flooding. Humans also change environments. One change happens when people cut down trees to make room for buildings. Many people know that environmental changes can harm organisms. We should remember to take steps to reduce the negative effects of the changes. If trees are cut down in one area, people can plant new trees nearby. Okay, summary and lesson closure. Okay, what did you learn during this lesson and what skills will you need to be successful? I'm going to have you go ahead and there'll be a exit ticket after this where I want you to answer these two questions, and that'll be the end of the lesson. Okay, it's time to complete your exit ticket. And if you have any questions about anything, be sure to email your teacher or send a message to them in Schoology.